So now we're going to do a little review and practice with CSS Specificity. But first, I need the old man chair. What do you think happens to us when we die? How many people say we go to heaven? How many people believe in Islam or say we go, where's Islam? Where do you go in Islam? I don't know.
I feel like our souls go to the universe.
Yeah, we just go back to the compost pile. Obviously, right? Like, do we have souls? You ever had an out-of-body experience, Deja? No.
Not yet.
Not yet. It's coming. And now all you're doing is sitting in class listening to me writing code. Ah! Well, we're going to get to code in a second, but I just want to explore this once more. If you knew you're dying tomorrow, would you be in here right now?
Probably not.
Isn't that an interesting thought? Like, what would you be doing? Crying? Hanging out with friends? I'm dying tomorrow. It's a weird thought experiment, isn't it? All right, we're going to practice CSS specificity. I am here. So we've got index, and then we have our main CSS. I'm going to split this vertically. And I'm just going to select all this. Boom. And I'm going to do a div, and so something with the idea of Waka Baka, which is inside a div. That's bad code, by the way, because an ID only targets one thing on a page. There could only be one thing on a page, so it's stupid to say, oh, this ID inside of this element. Maybe I should only ever show you good code. There's Waka Baka. Color, red. And then we have a class, Aruga. There could be many classes on a page. And so we'll say that this one is inside of a div. So anything that's a direct descendant, anything with the class Aruga, which is a direct descendant of a div, which is a direct descendant of body, and then we have that, and I'm going to write bad code. This is bad code, and this is a Waka Baka. And we'll make this green. What color is hello going to be? Curveball on this one. Why do you think so, Deja?
Because you were saying something with the higher limit.
Well, yeah, the IDs are worth 100, right? So this one's worth 100. And we could go to that CSS specificity calculator and just put in some ID, Waka Baka. That's worth 100, right? And then this one's going to be worth how much? CSS specificity. Huh? 12. Because it has a class which is worth 10 and then two elements which are worth 2. What's this one going to be worth? 102, right? So what color is hello going to be? How many people say green? Raise your hand. Who wants to bet and lose some money? It's going to be red. Why is it going to be red instead of green? Look at the code, people.
Oh, maybe because it's not.
Is there a div that is a direct descendant of HTML? No. Right? This div is a direct descendant of body, but this div is not a direct descendant of HTML because it goes HTML, head, body are the only direct descendants of HTML, and then body, div is a direct descendant, right? But div is not a direct descendant of HTML. So let's make sure. Proof's in the pudding, it's red. Which color is what color is hello going to be now? Color is hello going to be? What has the highest weight? Think, people. Green has the highest weight. Is there something with ID which is direct descendant of a div? ID Waka Baka? Direct descendant of a div? Yes, right? Is there a div that's a direct descendant of body? Yes. So that one's going to rule and win. It's going to be green now. Okay? CSS specificity, you got it? What is worth 1 point? Elements. H1, P, div, body. What's worth 10 point? Classes. What's worth 100 points? IDs.